Hello loves, it's your girl Gaonou here for today's vlog. I'm sure you read the title. I am reuniting with the boyfriend. I haven't seen him since Valentine's Day, and with the whole like pandemic going on, like he lived like 2.5 hours away, so I couldn't visit him. And just like with my family, we like decided to like set some ground rules and socially distance ourselves up until this point. We literally had a meeting last night discussing that we are able to visit family and friends within our city that have been like quarantined for a while, and that we feel that they are like safe to visit and everything. So my boyfriend moved back home about like 2-3 weeks ago, and he's been quarantined like the entire time, so I trust that he's like, you know, safe and clean and all that stuff. Oh my gosh, like I didn't think I would miss him this much because I thought I would like be able to keep myself busy with work and everything, but I miss the kid and I can't wait to go see him. So I am currently at the boyfriend's place. I've been here for like an hour or two now. We just kind of chilled for a bit, hung out with my boyfriend and his parents. We ate pho as like a late lunch, and now we're currently watching It Chapter 2. So far it's been decent. Like I don't find it too scary, so that's a thumbs up because I don't like to watch like super scary movies. And then I really want some snacks, specifically hot Cheetos, so I'm waiting for my boyfriend to be done in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna try to get him to say yes to going to the grocery store because your girl needs some snack. I love having like some kind of snack when I'm watching movies. So Tu and his dad, they put some tar pavement thing on their driveway. Can you drive?
Of course.
Thank you. So I've had this water bottle in my car ever since like the last time I saw Tu, and I didn't want to drink it because I missed you so much. So every time I was in the car, I would see this water bottle and then I would think of Tu. That's how cheesy I am. So we are currently on our way to the grocery store because your girl wants some hot Cheetos. We got our mask. I have some gloves in my pocket. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, June 18th or 19th. Currently putting on my shoes right now because I need to head out the door. I have a bunch of errands that I need to get done today. And then I'm gonna go see my boyfriend later, do some work with him. And I think that's pretty much it for the day. I know we want to make lunch together, so probably gonna go grocery shopping for some veggies, and then might just like watch like a scary movie later. I'll show you my outfit really quick because it's a really cute one. I'm like obsessed with this dress that I thrifted from ThredUp. So here is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this really cute heart printed dress from ThredUp. I don't know if you can tell, but there's hearts. Let me bring it closer. Super cute. I love the fit of it. I love like the sleeves, very feminine and flowy, and then it kind of like cinges right here and kind of flares out. I love it. It's so cute and girly. And I got my YSL handbag for that vintage look, and then I just threw on these sneakers for a casual comfy look. I actually asked on my Instagram account if I should go with sneakers or heels, and you guys really like the sneaker look, so I'm gonna go with that. Gonna head out and get some errands done. So I finally made it to the boyfriend's place, and look what was waiting for me here. These were my chips from Sunday, and I'm so happy that he didn't finish them because I've been craving for them. Tu is currently using the bathroom right now, and then I think we're gonna go grocery shopping, and we're debating if we want curry or if we want Korean fries. So update, we have decided not to go to the grocery store because Tu's mom has already like prepped like some kind of meat that we can bake for lunch, so we're just gonna do that. And then his mom also has a garden outside, so we went outside to go grab some fresh veggies, and now I'm just like all set up on the table just to do some work while watching like the food because the kitchen is right there. Get some work done, and then I will probably check in with you guys when the food is ready. Oh my gosh, this weather is insane. It's been like this for about 30 minutes. Heading over to the boyfriend's place to just go work over there, chill over there. I have an errand to run. I need to stop by Digicopy, fax something over. So I need to do that because I have to like submit in some paperwork. And then I think for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna work with my boyfriend. Since I have like a lot due today, I have a sponsored post that I need to submit like the blog post tomorrow. And then I have some other stuff that I need to get done. So today's gonna be a busy day. I'll try to vlog for you guys. If not, I think tomorrow might be a more vloggable day since I don't have a lot due tomorrow, but we shall see. Also, can we talk about how amazing my skin looks compared to like a couple weeks ago? It's all because of Laneige and Vanity Planet. I freaking love Laneige. They have the best skincare products personally for me, like, and they're all about like water science. Like, you should really go on their website. So I just got done with a photo shoot for a Laneige product, and I was gonna wear this outfit today, but then I thought I would just save it for tomorrow, and then I'm probably gonna clean this up when I get back. I have been at the boyfriend's place for about 2 hours now. We're just chilling. We just got done eating some dumplings, and I'm probably gonna go grab a boba ice cream because that just sounds really good. I am so excited. There's only like 4 in a box, and I ate 2 yesterday, so my goal today is to only eat 1 so that I can have 1 for tomorrow. You guys, literally the best ice cream ever. The best ice cream ever. And it also has like little boba pearls in here. I mean, bite. Who doesn't like this? Which makes me sad because it's like the best ice cream ever. But it makes me happy because that means I don't have to share and I can have everything.
Well, Gaonou doesn't like my ice cream, and that makes me sad. So,
but there's more for you.
Yeah, so there's more for you. There you go.
Yeah, that's what I literally just said. I said I'm sad because it's the best ice cream, but then I'm happy because there's more for me. You literally just repeated what I said. If you grew up Asian, you would remember eating this raw as a child. And we are currently making some boiled We are currently making some boiled pork with some veggies. I haven't had this in so long. Good morning. It is Sunday, June 21st. I am currently filming a TikTok video. I haven't filmed a TikTok in so long, so I thought today would be the day. And I'm just like transitioning to like different outfits. This is outfit number 1. Just wearing this beret, this button up, and then I have on this super cute skirt. Very like schoolgirl, like Parisian vibes. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, I might throw on a scarf to kind of like tie it right here. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. Also have a vlog going on. My room is a mess, so hopefully I have the energy to clean it later. I'm gonna film the TikTok video. I'm gonna take some photos of my outfit, and then I'm gonna head over to my boyfriend's place and get some work done. Outfit of the day, I am wearing this tweed romper from Starets. I'm like obsessed with it. Also looks like a dress. Have on these Franco Sarto boots, and then this Theory white button up. Obsessed with it as well. I just love the whole look. It reminds me of Blair Waldorf. And then I have on a headband and pearl earrings. Hey guys, so we went grocery shopping and we got a bunch of ingredients for our Korean corn dogs, which we're attempting to make today for the first time. Everything laid out here, and Tu's gonna start making the batter. So this makes 8 corn dogs, so that should be good. You need baking powder. I feel like you don't use a lot of baking powder when you cook.
Nope.
Or bake, I mean. You guys, I'm so happy.
2 teaspoons baking powder.
Okay.
Half teaspoon salt.
We got salt here, and then I can grab the sugar.
2 tablespoons sugar. You wanna give me the tablespoon?
Mm-hmm. We also got some Starbucks. It's gonna be very sweet. I know like Korean people do like sweet stuff.
1 egg.
Yes. I did look, you guys have a lot of eggs.
Just take out the milk.
I've been craving Korean corn dogs for like the longest time. Like, I've seen so many YouTubers and so many TikTok videos of everybody like eating Korean corn dogs. So I've been wanting to make it for a while, and today was the day. And I wanted to try it out with Tu and like get his reaction if it's like worth all the hype and everything. So crossing my fingers that everything goes well. Here's the egg. I suck at cracking eggs. We also got some chips, my faves. We got spicy sweet chili. And then we got some jalapenos. And then for the cheese, we got this spicy one. And then we just got some turkey hot dogs. And then everything else is just for like the toppings. Like we got ketchup as like a sauce. You're supposed to mix this with sriracha, which I'm excited to try. And then just some other baking stuff. Are we gonna use the whole thing? Will it fit into like deep fry?
Well, you only stick one side down anyways.
So I just like chopped up some hot dogs and cheese, and then Tu's just gonna put it on the skewer. So we're just gonna do that and just make a bunch of them. So I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of us doing that. We just got done making our Korean corn dogs. So this batch doesn't have a sugar coating, but this one does, which I'm really excited to try out. And then we also made the spicy ketchup sauce, which is just ketchup and sriracha. So we just got done making the Korean corn dogs, and we're gonna do our first taste test on the vlog. Are you ready?
Is this sugar?
No. This side's non-sugar and this is sugar. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the cheese. This is really good with sugar.
I like it without sugar.
Really? Oh my god, this is really good with sugar.
I made that batter extra sweet too.
Oh really?
Yeah, for the cheese, I'd be fine without the cheese. But I mean, the cheese is good.
Many hours later, we are taking a break from what we were working on, having some snacks, and we decided that we're gonna watch K-drama, try to finish up The Goblin.